In this video lecture, I'm going to talk about male and female reproductive system immunology. And as you know that female reproductive tract has two main functions: protection against microbes and maintenance of pregnancy to term. So, immune cells in the reproductive tract maintain immunity against pathogens and establish immune tolerance for sperms and an embryo. As can be seen here, these are immune cells within the female reproductive tract. They are mainly T cells and NK cells. This we call them immunoregulatory cells. So the predominant cells are, as can be seen here, T cells, macrophages, dendritic cells, NK cells. However, B cells present in aggregates, and it is rare to find B cells, but it is present, and we find maybe some antibodies. This is the lining of the endometrium, and this is the lining of the cervix, and this the submucosa. Within the submucosa, we can find dendritic cell and macrophages. So these cells are very important, as I mentioned before, for immune tolerance during pregnancy. Regulation of immune responses in male, as can be seen here. This is here, the male. We find immune cells, mainly regulatory T cells, and maybe we find other type of cells, for example, macrophages, as well as somatic cell for suppression of specific immunity or suppression of antigen-specific immunity by anti-inflammatory factors, for example, cytokines. And now I'm going to talk about the antiphospholipid during pregnancy, antiphospholipid antibodies. And as you know, the phospholipids, they are present in surrounding cells in a layer. However, antiphospholipid syndrome, as you know that it is an autoimmune disease characterized by blood clots. So pregnant ladies with antiphospholipid syndrome may get blood clot here, and this may predispose to miscarriage or recurrent miscarriage or premature babies, or still babies, stillbirth babies. However, this antiphospholipid syndrome may be associated with SLE, and as you know, SLE is an autoimmune disorder, and also predisposed to formation of blood clot. So this appearance of these antiphospholipid antibodies usually activate platelets and monocytes and activate the complement. And as you know, all these factors may also predispose to inflammation. And so, as I mentioned before, that phospholipid is a type of the cell membrane, and it allows, or it is permeable for molecules that can dissolve in fat. For example, oxygen, carbon dioxide. However, antiphospholipid syndrome, as I mentioned, that they promote activation of endothelial cells, monocytes, platelets, and complement get activated, and this result in formation of hyper coagulable state and formation of blood clots that may predispose to miscarriage. Thank you very much, Professor Ahmed Bourlad.